Hey, what's going on, guys? Do you want to get the most out of holding your open houses? I would like to share with you 4 tips that will help you to do that. Number 1, preparation is the key. And here's what I mean by that. Look, we're going to probably spend anywhere between 4 to 10 hours in preparing and holding an open house, right? Why not get prepared in terms of knowing the neighborhood, okay? But more importantly, also knowing the comps in the neighborhood. What you want to do is you want to generate the comps for the past 3 months, if you don't find anything, for the past 6 months, and focus and try to memorize the average sold price per square foot, and the average days in the market. And the reason we want to do that is because you may have some possible homeowners, the sellers, the neighbors that are thinking about selling their home, and they will be inquisitive. They will be asking those questions, so you want to be prepared, okay? Number 2, in addition to generating comps, what you want to do is you want to print out a list of all active homes or listings in that particular neighborhood, and ideally highlight the ones that are vacant. Here's the trick. You may have somebody that may be possibly interested in the neighborhood, very interested in the neighborhood, but does not like the house, okay, that you're holding. So what you want to do is you want to give them an opportunity to see another home or two in that neighborhood. That gives you the ability to make a connection with them. That gives you an opportunity to build a rapport with them and hopefully earn their business. Number 3, before you start your open house, guys, knock on 20 neighbors' doors, okay? And let them know you're holding an open house, introduce yourself, and then tell them that the homeowners are very inquisitive or curious about the showing condition of their home and the price, and if they can stop by and take a look at it and give their opinion, okay? That's very important to get some traffic in the door. And number 4, when you have that conversation with someone, you get their contact info, okay? Do something with it. And what I mean by that is, instead of waiting a day or two to follow up with them or send them a list of properties, send them information right away. In other words, send them properties right away. Record a 10 or 15-second video thanking them for stopping by. And then also make sure that you put all that information in a database right away, okay? From my experience, you convert those leads much faster and much quicker at a higher rate versus waiting a day or two, okay? Because don't forget, guys, you're not the only open house they probably looked at. There are probably a couple other agents that took their information, so you want to be the first one in front of them, okay? So I hope this was valuable to you guys. Thank you so much for watching this, and I'll see you next time.